sáng thâu đại thâu mấy luôn khâu imbu kuna bom mấy kagan khâu pum gai dim jang nam khâu kai gup sanai inkoi me chang inter village road hai tan thâu khang foundation stone ling lo na September chui na pungu nai tai Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh akhani Minister PWD akhani walks in my Govindas kon thousand gazau na lalo kan the nungba kendra MLA akhani hill area committee chairman Dipu Gang Merisha kami kyutho kailuang akhani nam sang thau dai thau mai akhani changpum ko siam choi lo mai te mai hai development bu kuna bam mai khare tuna sakane langsu langwat mai akhani gin chaga tat me khangan na changpum gai thai inthui menai tuna ni sakane imbu na mitwang IBR cheng hai buthom long khau taloi khangsu pri tuna sai mitwang tan hai public meroi support chulo khang ka ge nai the khani kandi meroi ma chuang lo pu khau ka gan chana taloi ngam puni tuna ni sakane Manipur Chief Minister kazauna Cabinet Minister kagwai roi asai jana neta hizam irawat meng khau mun kalawna chakwang sulokane Chief Minister roi sakami kyutho hizam irabot tong bijan hai aniu megwai na roi tin thui laukhang chuncham na tan godikho tuna sakane imbuna Chief Minister roi sakami kyutho intai me sabuan ganthum kuki militan roi nim kamai tai gang khata tho patlau dat kanthe tiki ganai tho intaw kuki metong custody kho bame tuna sakane nim gamai ganai tai zai milung khau imphang dat khang state force khani central force kariu na jik megan kagan kagwai kho fujin gona bame tuna ni sakane Director General of Police Manipur roi nim gamai bam khotai tatanglana inji metan tan bakhang karam na bame tuna ni sakane irabot tuang kamong khotai cabinet minister members of parliament MLA khani top civil khani police official azuroi gwang kazau lokane Gwang puni mai October kanai Wednesday Gandhi Jayanti le karyang naina longmai bazar kho cleanliness drive social service hai lauthuan khong suruk khoroi ka hauna takai puni mitong social service hai district administration PHED bank kani bye me line department goi le tuna kariuna tan kai puni tuna sakane longmai bazar board to members kani advisor ka goi soi mangna gwang lo khang Lomai Bazar Board toang information akani Public City Secretary Agui Kamaroi tithai pakane Directorate of Health Services Government of Manipur Rai Lu Thigwang Liu Gang with a National Program for Prevention and Control of Non-Communicable Diseases Bangkok Best Well-Performing ASA for Heart Disease Screening and Care Service toang Certificate of Appreciation September 2 in a secure night at Tilaw Konthe Gwang Liu Gang may hai None District Bangko nai may rangkong part 1 kay luang kaurei asa workers suwang kamay tingkum ru nasanay tang kamay longkaw asa workers akatsuna kathaw tansui na talo may tuang award azu ni pangkan may akare tunasay kamay roi nam khaw kapum ndrit na ba may 2 minun allow nun akaninaw sunu may gansu gantay kagway da thawna nai na talo may akare None District hang tsunami kup may katpat na talo may hai kaman kung may khare tuna thon ku na ba me imbuna rangkhung student union roi Thigwang Liu Gang may roi state level ko achievement la kamay tanai la may khani thon ku may indaw kane hu duan ka goi ko imbuna gairan me ko tan padat kandiu khangni sakane Rajya Sabha MP Laisemba Sanajaba ta Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labor Textile and Skill Development tuang members kang kapalo kanthe Nongpok sekmai akani yaripok charangpat icham khunau laurembam akani bye me cheng ka goi khau phai khatui na tasa tang mai irabo de le karyang naina pongu charangpat jila parishad member khani BJP Thaubal district tong vice president Saugrakpam Japan Singh roi chang khau taw bulawna chang ka siam ka hau kanthe irabo de le karyang naina megoi khang ka khanna mitan haitan tonge tuna sakane Cham ngan lo the